Alright, in this video we're going to talk about domains, ranges, and codomains. The domain is the set of inputs. The codomain is the set of elements from which the replacements will be chosen. The range always has to be a subset of the codomain. Now, in Precalculus, the domain and codomain are usually the real numbers. The function determines the elements that can be included in the domain, but the domain of the function, remember, must exclude values that would cause division by 0 or results in the even root. Consider the following: y equals 1 over x minus 1. The domain is all real numbers except x equal to 1, because if we use 1, we divide by 0. The range in this case, a little bit harder, but it turns out to be all reals except y equal to 0. Let's look at another example. Suppose we have y equals the square root of x minus 4. The domain in this case has to be all reals greater than or equal to 4. We get that by taking x minus 4 and setting it greater than or equal to 0. The range, however, can be all reals greater than or equal to 0. So we're going to take our x minus 4, and I'm showing you there how we got it. Now let's consider the function that we used before. There are definite limitations on the domain and hence the range. We can't buy half a bag of chips, for example. So what will we do in this situation? Well, the domain here would be 0 to 6. C and S must be whole numbers. We can't buy a third of a set of Cokes. C can't be negative. If soft drinks depend on chips, we solve for S, and notice the domain has to be between 0 and 8. Again, C and S must be whole numbers. S cannot be negative. So what are some characteristics? Each element must be matched with an element of B. Some elements of B may not be matched. That's the codomain idea. Two or more elements of A may be matched with the same element of B. And an element of A, the domain, cannot be matched with two different elements of B.